Heat printing allows us to decorate a wide variety of garments, and we're not just talking about t-shirts and hoodies. Today we're talking about outerwear, and more specifically, denim jackets. Denim jackets are a great addition to your product range. They're very popular in retail trends at the moment, and they're also a great multi-purpose item for a range of fulfillment clients. Plus, the profit margins on denim jackets are quite significant. Selling at a minimum of £30 and rising upwards anywhere to around the £100 mark, they'll bring in that extra income stream to your print business. Your first impression when looking at a denim jacket might be to avoid it because of all of the seams, the buttons, and the obstructions in the way. But with Hotronix heat presses and accessories, we're going to show you how you can heat print onto these garments with ease. But before we get started, let's take a look at the decoration method we're going to be using today. We're talking about screen print heat transfers. Now, screen print has been a fan favourite when it comes to apparel decoration for many years. Because of the colours you can achieve, they can be Pantone matched, you can get amazing detail with these, and you can even get neon finishes like we're going to show you today. Now, usually the first step with any heat application is to load the garment like we've done here. Regardless of how we load this denim jacket onto the platen, there are going to be seams and obstructions in the way. And this is where the heat printing pillow comes in. Because this heat press has such accurate pressure, it's going to take the pressure readout from the highest point in the garment, which in the case of the denim jacket are the thicker seams. And we don't want that to happen because it means that the print area will not have the correct pressure. We're going to take one of these, a heat printing pillow, place it onto the platen before our garment, and what this is going to do is allow the thicker parts of the denim jacket to sink into the pillow when this heat press comes down, creating that one flat print surface area so that we know our heat transfer is getting the perfect pressure and will last that 75+ washes. But before we load the garment onto this heat press, we need to adjust the pressure. Because we've added this thick pillow underneath, it is going to hike the pressure up quite a lot. So what we're going to do is test it first with the pillow on the platen without the jacket so that we don't scorch it. I'm going to take this knob on the top of the press here, which is the pressure adjustment. If you twist this quarter turns each way, it will either increase or decrease the pressure of this heat press. So I'm going to release it so that it comes lighter. And we do have a digital pressure readout here as well. As I draw this platen in and I pull this press down, you can see here there is a pressure readout. Now I've lightened this off a bit too much. It's on a 2 now. But by the time we load the denim jacket onto here, because it is a thicker garment, it will bring the pressure up to around a 4 to a 5, which is perfect for medium pressure. Always make sure to test your pressure when you're using pillows before you load your garment. So now that our heat press is set up correctly, we're going to take our denim jacket and we're going to thread it like we would any other garment onto this heat press. The Fusion IQ does have built-in threadability, which makes it super easy to put this jacket on and have the rest of it hanging away underneath. So we're just isolating this top area. And as you can see here from the pillow, when this press comes down, it's going to push these thicker seams into it and create that nice flat surface area for our print. Of course, with any garment, we are going to carry out that pre-press to remove moisture and wrinkles from the garment. And with denim jackets, it's that bit more important because they are thicker, so they do retain that bit more moisture. Now, we're going to be using release paper just to add an extra layer of protection to this garment. Pull the drawer back in and pre-press for 5 seconds. And this is another opportunity to double check that the pressure on here is accurate. So this is between the 3 and a 4 at the moment. So you can see just by adding in that denim jacket how it increases that pressure readout. Now it's time to take our screen printed heat transfer. Now, as I mentioned before, these apply for just 10 seconds at 160 degrees. So that's no time at all to get that high quality screen print finish with real Plastisol inks. Because this is a cold peel transfer, we are going to continue with this release paper. And what this does is make sure that when this press comes up, it doesn't bring the carrier up with it to allow you to remove the garment, let the transfer cool, and then remove the carrier, rather than it coming up too early and damaging the transfer. Now that the application's complete, we've removed our jacket from the press. We're going to place it to the side and carry on printing the rest of the jackets for this order and then peel them all at the end. And there you have it, you've created a high quality premium screen printed denim jacket. Something a little bit different you can offer your customers and something you could make significant profits on. The finish is absolutely fantastic. I am super happy with how it turned out. This is definitely something I would reach for in store and something that's going to catch the eye of your customers for sure. This particular denim jacket is made by Ordis and it's their SD060 Noah denim jacket. They're available in black, dark blue wash, which is what we've used today, and a light blue wash as well. Pricing starts from just £17 for one of these. Now, considering denim jackets with no decoration at all sell at retail for between £30 and £50, adding decoration will only increase that. You can get these custom screen printed heat transfers from just a small order of 10 sheets, with scalable pricing allowing you to make the most profit from your jobs. For example, 100 sheets of A3 is just £2.03 per sheet, making your total product cost less than £20. That's at least £10 profit per item, and we all know that you'll be able to charge more than £30 for a custom printed jacket. Now, of course, choosing an A3 sheet will allow you to gang multiple designs up, meaning you can get the back print, a front left chest, and a variety of other print locations all on one sheet. The more print locations you can offer, the more that you can charge for the item. At Styles UK, we don't charge you anything extra for creating or ordering gang sheets. If you're not already using this method to maximize on prints and profit, why not? Ordering custom heat transfers is easier than ever before. It's all done online and your heat transfers will be at your door ready to press within 2 working days. So we've been working with screen print plasticell transfers today, but you do also have the option of full color digital designs, which are called ultra color transfers, if you do want to add more than 5 colors to your design. That's it for today's video. I hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to tag us in any posts of your screen printed denim jackets, and make sure to like and subscribe because we offer new heat printing videos every single week.